Hey everyone, welcome back. Walking 18 holes for 4 hours adds up, and fatigue can cost you strokes. Electric golf trolleys take the weight off your back so you stay fresher and more consistent. Many now add GPS, remote control, and hill stability, basically a mini caddy. I tested the best electric golf trolleys of 2026 for battery life, GPS, stability, and value. Here are the top 10, from budget picks to premium remote models. Let's get into it. Starting at number 10, we have the Motocaddy FX3 electric trolley, featuring a simple folding system. The one-click folding system is among the most straightforward tested. As the name suggests, the trolley folds at the press of a single button located on the chassis, after which both sections slide down smoothly. The front wheel remains in place, meaning that although the folded footprint is slightly larger than some rivals, this is a relatively minor compromise in light of the convenience it brings. The slim, lightweight battery is another highlight and is refreshingly easy to use. Simply plug it in and you're ready to go. It's a feature that neatly sums up the FX3, an entry-level electric trolley that comfortably punches above its weight, just as long as you're not chasing an abundance of high-tech features. It's at number 10 because the one-click folding mechanism is genuinely convenient. At number 9, we've got the Motocaddy S1 2025 electric trolley, my pick for easiest to set up. This is an electric trolley that's exceptionally easy to use, quick to set up, and consistently impressive out on the course. Not only did it earn a 5-star rating in our review, but it also received the ultra-rare perfect score of 100 out of 100. With the battery integrated into the chassis, once it's folded into position, you're ready to go. While the chassis and battery designs are clearly evolved from the 2022 model, both contribute to a premium, sporty look that really stands out. Out on the course, the trolley blends seamlessly into its surroundings. The motor is quiet, the handle-mounted control knob is highly responsive, and it does a flawless job of carrying your clubs without drawing attention to itself. If ease of use is your top priority in an electric trolley, this one is hard to beat. It's at number 9 because it genuinely earned that perfect 100 over 100 score. Coming in at number 8 is the Motocaddy SE electric trolley, my pick for best value. The lack of a screen may disappoint some, but I think it's a fair omission given the price. There are, however, several smart touches that impressed me, including a USB charging port beneath the handle. This is very useful, and I used it to top up both my phone and rangefinder during rounds. The durable tires are another welcome upgrade and help to extend the trolley's lifespan compared to earlier models. Overall, the SE offers a simple and accessible route for golfers looking to move from a push cart to a highly affordable electric option. It removes the effort of pushing your clubs uphill, helping you conserve energy and, in the process, hopefully saving a shot or two along the way. Perhaps the biggest compliment I can give it is that after a few rounds, I barely noticed it at all, in the best possible way. It's at number 8 because it's the most affordable entry point to electric trolleys. At number 7, we have the MG iZip Navigator Remote Electric Trolley, my pick for the most compact remote trolley. The two standout strengths of the Zip Navigator are its compact size and excellent stability. Much of that comes from the clever 4-wheel design, which allows the trolley to handle undulating and tricky terrain with minimal fuss. During testing, it didn't tip once, which is in part due to the excellent downhill speed control that allows for controlled, sensible progress on steep slopes. The remote lock feature is another welcome touch, preventing any accidental bursts of speed that could otherwise send the trolley racing off up the fairway. Instead, it behaved like a well-programmed droid from Star Wars, reliably waiting by my ball like a dependable sidekick. It folds down into a compact unit that fits comfortably into the trunk of the car, and this is aided by the ability to invert the wheels during the folding process. It's at number 7 because the compact size for a remote trolley is impressive. Coming in at number 6 is the Motocaddy RX 12 GPS electric trolley, my pick for best screen. Thanks to the class-leading 5-inch HD touchscreen on the Motocaddy RX12, that's exactly what you get. The display is backed by a powerful 1.1 GHz processor, giving it smartphone-like responsiveness that makes navigating menus and features quick and intuitive. The upgraded display now delivers yardages to virtually any point on the hole, along with a movable pin feature and familiar tools such as score tracking, performance stats including greens and fairways hit and regulation, and even a shot measurement function. Remote functionality has also been improved, largely thanks to a redesigned handset that replaces the clunky remote used on the RX-1. In testing, performance was solid if not spectacular. The Trolley occasionally needed straightening, and some rivals handled uneven terrain a little better. It's at number 6 because the 5-inch HD touchscreen is genuinely class-leading. At number 5, we have the Stewart Golf Q Follow Trolley, featuring a unique follow feature. If you're a fan of golf gadgets, then the Q Follow from Stewart Golf will be right up your street. As the name suggests, the headlining technology allows the trolley to follow you around the course. It's undeniably great fun at first, but for golfers seeking a genuinely hands-free experience, it could prove a real game-changer. In testing, reliability was excellent, with the trolley consistently tracking and stopping right by our ball. Stability is another strong point. A retractable stabilizer, made up of 2 smaller wheels, helps keep the trolley upright at all times. It deploys automatically during setup, which is a smart and well-executed design touch. It's worth noting that this is a relatively heavy trolley, so those with back issues may need to take care when lifting it. It's at number 5 because the autonomous follow feature is genuinely innovative and fun. Number 4 brings us the Motocaddy M7 GPS electric trolley, featuring excellent GPS. That made me particularly keen to test the 2025 version, and I'm pleased to say Motocaddy has delivered a raft of welcome quality-of-life improvements. The GPS now provides full hole mapping and yardages to greens and hazards, along with score tracking and performance stats such as greens and fairways hit, which are useful tools for identifying areas of your game that need work. The standout upgrade for me is the new cable-free battery housed neatly within the center of the chassis. A subtle but clever revision to the folding system means there's no longer any need to remove a rear wheel to access the battery. Overall, the 2025 M7 GPS remote does an excellent job of ironing out the small frustrations I had with the 2023 model, resulting in a far more refined and complete remote trolley experience. It's at number 4 because Motocaddy removed the subscription requirement for full GPS features, a huge improvement. At number 3, we've got the Stewart Golf V Vertex Remote Cart, my pick for best remote model. Vertex Remote Cart impresses with both its design and the technology beneath the surface. From the outset, it's a sharp-looking trolley that uses Stewart Golf's intuitive 2-step folding system. A trolley can be packed with the best technology, but if it's awkward to fold and unfold, its appeal quickly fades. That's certainly not the case here, with the simple mechanism allowing it to fold down into a surprisingly compact unit. Despite the front wheels being smaller than those found on some rival models, on-course performance proved strong during testing, even across uneven terrain. Stability is aided by the trolley's overall weight and solid build, yet this doesn't negatively affect maneuverability. If onboard GPS is a must-have, alternatives from brands such as Motocaddy or Motocaddy may be better suited. It's at number 3 because the active terrain control genuinely improves performance across uneven terrain. Coming in at number 2 is the Motocaddy CT12 GPS Electric Trolley, my pick for most compact. This is an impressively compact trolley that's extremely easy to set up and use thanks to its slick folding system. It also looks superb, something, in my opinion, that is an often overlooked but important factor in a quality golf trolley. The GPS system will be familiar to anyone who's used Motocaddy devices before, but it's now housed in an all-new, crystal-clear 5-inch full-color touchscreen. Additional features include active green view, a digital scorecard, stroke index information, and a movable flag position to help dial in precise yardages. In terms of features, the CT12 ticks just about every box you could want from an electric trolley. When you factor in how easy it is to set up, fold away, and use on the course, it firmly establishes itself as one of the very best compact golf trolleys available. It's at number 2 because the compact design combined with comprehensive GPS is impressive. And finally, at number 1 is the Motocaddy M5 GPS trolley. You can also fold the trolley away with the battery left in place, something I found particularly convenient when packing it into the car. Once folded, it forms a fairly compact unit, although the folding action itself can feel a little stiff. As the name suggests, GPS is at the heart of this trolley. The system is built around a high-resolution 3.5-inch touchscreen that remains easy to use even when wearing a golf glove or in wet conditions. It provides accurate yardages to keep points on every hole, including hazards such as bunkers and water, as well as distances to the front and back of the green. You can also adjust the pin position if you require more precise targeting. The screen also allows you to track your score and round time while also offering advanced course mapping features, although be aware that access to the latter requires a subscription to Motocaddy's performance plan. It's at number 1 because the ultra-smooth 28.8-volt drive system provides exceptional control. Alright, that wraps up the top 10 electric golf trolleys of 2026. Drop a comment with your setup, like and subscribe for more honest golf gear reviews, and I'll see you in the next one.